In this video, I'll show you how to sort your data frame based on a single column or multiple columns. I'll also show you how to limit the data frame records to a specified number. In the cell on the screen, I've created a data frame assigned to the variable df. It stores country information, so there are 195 rows in total. I've just displayed the top 5. So let's sort this data frame by the population column. So to do that, we can use the sort method, which is a part of the DataFrame class. So on the DataFrame object, I can do df.sort and then specify the column I'd like to sort by, which is population. And then I can display that. So here it is. And it's quite clear to see that this data frame is sorted in ascending population order. So the population increases as you go down the rows. The results are sorted in ascending order by default, and the data type of the column determines how it's sorted. So if I sorted by continent, it would be sorted alphabetically. So if I wanted to sort this in descending population order, so the highest population first, then I'd need to specify an additional argument, and that would be ascending equals false. So this tells it to not sort the results in ascending order. So let's run this. As you can see, that's worked. We can also use the limit method, which again is part of the DataFrame class, to limit the results displayed of the data frame to the number passed in as an argument in that method. So if I wanted only the top 10 countries by population, I can do .limit and 10, like so. So now we only have the top 10 countries by population. We can also sort by multiple columns. Let's sort by continent and population. So I can type the following: df.sort, and then I want to sort by continent and population. So let's also specify ascending equals false, and then dot display. So now we have sorted by continent. So here is South America. Because this is in descending order, we have S first, and then here's the population. It goes high to low. And then when we get to Oceania, again, it goes high to low. And then for the next continent, we go high to low again. But what if I wanted to sort the continent in ascending order and the population in descending order? Well, to do that, we cannot reference these columns as strings. We need to use DataFrame attribute access, indexing, or create a column object, and then use the ASC and DESC, so short for ascending and descending, methods. So let me show you. So first what we need to do is from PySpark.sql.functions import ASC and DESC, like so. So let's run this, and then what I can do is df.sort, and then use DataFrame attribute access, so continent dot, and I want this in ascending order, and make sure you open and close parenthesis. And then for the second column, so population, I want this in descending order, and then do dot display. So now as you can see, the continent is sorted in ascending order because we have A first, and the population is still in descending order. So we can use ASC, so this method, and DESC to specify ascending and descending order. Now, just one final note that instead of sort, you can also use order by, like this, so with a capital B. This is an alias for sort, so this works just the same. Great. So that was how to sort and limit your DataFrame results.